Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install the VMware and CloudRack Quick Start, which are the prerequisite for the big data. So our first step is to download and install VMware. For that, this is the link which I will provide for you. Just click on that link, or you can just paste it on Google and you can able to install VMware. So our first step is to download and install VMware Workstation Player. For that, this is the link. I will just copy this link and just paste it. Okay. So this is the vmware.com and here the current version is 17. Just scroll down and here is the option for downloading the VMware. So this is for the window and this is for the Linux. So just download now. Click on the download now for the Windows. Yes. Now our works VMware is in progress mode. Is in going to download. It's about something 500 MB file. So it takes time to download. Okay. So carefully choose the options here. This is for the Linux and this is for the Windows. And this is official website for the VMware. Yes, our downloading is in progress. Just wait for a minute. So after downloading the VMware, we have the executable file, and then we have to just open this executable file and just go with the installation process. It's very easy to install the VMware. Just follow the steps which are I just show here. Yes. 2 minutes are left. And only 1 minutes are left. Just wait for some time. Yes. Yes, our file is about to download. Yes, it's done now. Just go to File Explorer here, your File Explorer, and in download, this is the executable file which is just downloaded now. Just double click on this file. So it's preparing for the installation. Here you can see, yes. So just wait for a while. Yes. Now our next step, like this, just you have to click on next. Okay. No change here. Like change, remove, add. Actually, yes. Actually, I downloaded before this, so that I have to go with the change. Okay. In if you download for the first time, then just go to the next. Okay. Next. You just click on next, and your download is download will be completed. Actually, I've just downloaded before. That's why this is okay. Finish. Actually, VMware is already in my system. That's why this. But you just click on next, and your VMware is going to download. Okay. Then, then second step. Yes. Now, second step is to install the Cloudera VM. Download and install the Cloudera VM, and for that, just this is a link. Okay, just copy this link and just paste it. Okay, just here click on go to site. Yes, here you can see 5.4 GB is the this much size of this file. It's a zip file exactly. So it's about 30 to 35. So our installation is completed and our file is downloaded, but it's a zip file. So we have to extract this file. Just go to your file explorer and just go to download. Here my file is zip file is downloaded. Just I will extract this file first. Okay. So just extract here. So it takes time to extract those file or this file and unzip it. It's about 2 minutes left. Just we have to wait some more minute. It's about 50% is completed and just 1 minute. Yes, it's done now. So just see our extracted file. Okay. So these are our extracted file. Okay. So now our next step. Yes. So this is our second step is completed. Okay. Now our next step is to install Cloudera Kickstart VM on VMware Workstation. This is our last step. So for that, just open your VMware, which I just downloaded. Just open it. Okay. Now see, just click on Open Virtual Machine. Okay, and open the file which I downloaded for the Cloudera. Just and my file is in download section. So yes, from here this is my folder and this is my file. Okay, just open this file. Click on open. Yes. Now this is my Cloudera file, and just if you before just opening this file, just edit virtual machine setting. Just click on this. Okay. For this Cloudera, we just want about the 8 GB RAM. So just we increase this RAM. Okay, just in this way you can. So for the virtual machine, it's about 8 GB RAM in MB actually. Okay. And processor, we require two processors. So number of processor core should be two. This is the minimum requirement for the Cloudera. So check this. Memory is 8 GB, processor is 2, and then just click on OK. Okay. So now your Cloudera installation is done. Just open this. It takes time to open.